So guys, gagawa tayo ng sushi for today's video. Ayan. So kasama ko si Jamimoy Vlogs. So nabik namin to sa Klook. Okay? Excited na ako. So makikita niyo yung mga finished product sa aming Facebook and IG. So follow.
And if everyone gets perfect, like if any of you get a perfect answer, we're gonna have a small treat for you. So question number 1.
Ayan.
The answer is A.
Yay!
This is the easiest question.
Serious mode, serious mode.
Well,
They're like changing the like tone of the song.
Yeah, it's like
Alright, some of them are not as obnoxious as the others.
I think that's enough. That's mixed enough, so please put it in the wooden cup.
Ano? Bibigyan lang kita.
And this is a temari, so Japanese ancient toy something. And temari sushi is named after this. So first step.
Twenty.
Just no.
Sak.
Could be better. Okay. So please wrap it in plastic wrap. So and make a rice bowl like. Yeah, it's an important step. Yeah, it determines temari sushi shape. So it's gonna be cuter. Yeah. If you make a cuter, rice bowl. Yeah.
make it very cute.
Yeah.
Cute. It's like this one.
Oh, nice shape.
Nice.
Nice.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Cute.
So please open it again. Please open the wrap again. Open the wrap again. So, no, it's okay. So please place it on the plate, black plate.
Yeah.
On the black plate. On the with wrap.
With that.
So picking up two pieces of salmon, orange one.
The orange one. The salmon.
魚のネタの説明最初にするの忘れた。今したりします。Please place a wrap next to rice.
Next to the rice bowl.
Yeah, next to rice. And overwrapping. Pile up the salmon next to rice. Next to rice on the wrap.
Like this one?
Yeah, this one perfect.
Yeah.
And after that, wrap it again, and then make a bowl again.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, everyone looks perfect. And please open it again and put it on the plate. Open up.
Nice shape. Yeah. Oh.
And the
Yeah.
plastic again?
Place plastic on the scale.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
my brain is a pretty brown.
20 grams.
20 grams again.
20 grams.
20 grams.
Yeah.
20. 20. No. 19.7.
And make a rice bowl.
Okay.
Yeah, same step as the last
Same
one.
step.
Yeah.
20.8. 3.
So first step is always making rice ball, 20 gram
Okay.
of rice.
Okay. Lemon
And the
scoop.
next step, 20 grams, and take one scoop of chopped pickles and tuna,
So let's try.
and place it next to rice. Yeah, I guess you guys need a little bit more
Ah,
salt.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's small.
Okay. Please place rice on the crushed tuna. Please place rice on the crushed tuna. And make a bowl.
Okay. Same procedure.
It doesn't sound like. Oh. It's fine.
Cute.
Everyone made sushi very cute. You guys getting used to it? You guys
Yes. On the side again.
all the time.
Very soft.
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it look like a flower.
Rice on top.
Like this one.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
If you pick up this and then put it on the top, it's gonna be cuter and like a good arrangement. Yeah.
Yeah, which one is that?
It's a flying fish eggs. Yeah, flying fish eggs.
You're saying just put it right on top of it?
Yes. So this is the last one I lectured. So lecture is finished. So you can make as many as you like. So if you wanna take a photo, please ask me. This one is cucumber and this one is tuna. So you can make sushi until 11:15. 11:15.
Okay. So DIY time. Wow.
I don't know how you guys make them.
Itadakimasu.
So spicy.
Okay.
Itadakimasu.
こっちもスパイシー。シーウィード。
Sweet.
Love it. Sarap guys. Hindi siya malansa. Perfect.
I just got strawberry snippet apparently.
Next one is my tuna.
You were doing that.
Itadakimasu.
Dry stuff. Dry AM with the body. That needs to show. That one right there.
You want? Go on.
I do. You're drunk that. Huh? Stop it what? I can do it. Well, yeah. It suits them.
Masarap to? Oo.
Ito yung ganun mo.
Yung iba nakahalo-halo dyan.